Alright guys, everybody kind of gave me some feedback saying I should talk through the bike. So this is a 2014 Harley Davidson FLD Switchback. They're a fun little bike. They're kind of the mini bagger. Mine didn't come with a backrest. I bought it used. It didn't come with a windshield. So I'll just kind of start up front here and work all the way back. So hydraulic ABS equipped brakes, front brake lever, clutch lever, standard Harley affair. It's a 6-speed transmission, has a 103 cubic inch twin cam engine. It's one of my favorites, and probably the biggest feature of the bike that, you know, of course, pre-owned. Somebody customized the exhaust for me, and it's loud, and I love it. So I'm gonna commit a little bit of sacrilege today, and I'm gonna wash the bike on this nice sunny day instead of riding it around. So stay tuned. So the audio got really terrible right here, so we have to unfortunately do a voiceover, but I'm just kind of going through my process and rinsing and washing, scrubbing with the, you know, plain old regular car soap. Your choice may vary. You know, try not to miss anything, try to get all the big parts. So we washed it, we've dried it, you got with a little bit of voiceover, no big deal. But hey, for real, I've been motorcycling a long time. You know, I grew up around it. But if you're new to motorcycling, you really need to investigate getting like a MRF, Motorcycle Rider Foundation registered course. If you're in the Oregon area, Team Oregon is basically the way you go get your endorsement. It's a great course. You don't even have to have your own motorcycle. Again, I'm not a sponsor, but you'll see me and my buddy riding shoulder to shoulder like that. We've both been riding a very long time. We've made some mistakes. Some of those mistakes we've been really, really lucky with, but some of those mistakes you can't just fix in a body shop. So they have a real consequence to them. So make sure you're staying safe, wear your helmets, wear your protective gear. You can't always see it in my videos, but I'm usually wearing leathers, tops and bottoms. This time of year, that's tough, it sucks. You get really hot when you're not moving, but you know, to coin the old turn of phrase, it's a little hokey, but dress for the slide, not the ride. You can never control what the traffic does around you. You always have to react to it. So anyway, that's washing the bike. We're probably going to shoot another segment here with doing a little bit of wax. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'm not going to go hog wild with wax here. You know, do your research, find your own special flavor of it. Get that put on there. It's a little warm, so we're going to do this in patches and hope for the best. Let's try to get something on the paint to protect it. You'll notice I'm factory air cleaner, factory intake, nothing to it. 103's had quite a bit of power just out of the box. There's not a lot you needed to do to them. There are always things that you can do to them. To each their own. if you're watching me still, it's probably because you still like bikes. There's kind of something out there for everybody. I try to ride all year round. Riding through the crappy weather makes the nice weather even more worth it to ride through, so there's that. So pretty simple waxing, and again, I'm not like teaching you how to do this stuff. We're just hanging out in the Empire of Dirt here while we do it. You guys can't tell, I'm pretty new to content creation, so you know, we're gonna learn together. Isn't that always fun? I think that was Mr. Rogers or something, right? I've always been around Harley Davidson. I have I have a few of them anyway, and a few more that kind of frequent my group. You know, to each their own. Just because you don't ride a Harley doesn't mean you don't deserve to be on the road. The important thing is that we all keep our knees in the breeze and we keep the dirty side of the bike down, or the rubber on the road, however you want to say it, you know. So there it is. It's all kind of washed and waxed. Hate to break it to you, but the wax won't take the scratches out and the scuffs out from having a good time, so wear those with a badge of honor. You know, tell me what you like. I took the backrest off here for the first time in quite a while just to wash it down, and I don't know, do you guys like that? Does it look better? So there we go. It's all taken care of. We're gonna let that seat dry out, maybe absorb a little bit of heat, throw some of the leather treatment on it so that it stays looking nice. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next little quick trip.